Hi, this is Dylan from TESSALink, and we're going to be talking about the equipment holding area, where you have a process that your assets have to go through before they can be considered available for use again. This could be because you have a maintenance event or safety inspection, or you're quarantining assets based on the coronavirus pandemic, knowing the virus can stay alive on certain materials longer than others. But whether this is an everyday process for you or a new one because of what's happening, you're keeping people safe. So we're going to open up the web application and go to our location screen. And we're going to set up equipment holding areas for each one of our customers. A lot of our TESSALink customers do this because they need a visual cue that the assets have yet to be through the intake process. We're going to go to the asset screen and use our search and filter tools to find assets using that custom location hierarchy that we just created. And these hierarchies can be as specific as you need them to be. We'll also take a look at an asset detail and go to the Schedules tab. We're going to use the CERT alert blackout period that prevents the asset schedule from going overdue. So we can set up specific dates or recurring dates that prevent the asset from going overdue to show that the asset's not available for use, but I'm still safety compliant, so we don't have a bunch of red marks on our compliancy report to our customer. I can also update the status of an asset to show that it's been scrapped or deactivated or is out of service while it is in this equipment holding area, and those status changes will be logged in the status log with who and when that happened. If we go over to the mobile device, we're going to navigate to the My List screen where I have the ability to update my assets in bulk. And to add assets to this list, I can type in an asset number, I can scan a barcode, or I can scan RFID. And I'm going to add all of these assets that I'm taking in to my list, and I'm going to update their status here. And I'm going to mark these currently out of service. It's going to create that log. And all I'm doing is using the mobile device to expedite the reporting process because all of these logistics actions have to be reported to help keep people safe. I'm also updating the location of the asset to put them in the equipment holding area, so anyone that walks up and scans those assets can see that they are supposed to be in the equipment holding area if they're not. So I can scan in bulk to update the status and location to keep unsafe assets out of people's hands. And I can also manage my working inventory with this same process. So if you have more questions, visit TESSALink.com. Go TESSALink, go digital.